Here's a new Suzuki that we're trying to restore. This car needs a lot of work. As nice as it seems to be, it needs a lot of work. Look at the bumper. It's held on by two nuts. Everything else is loose because whomever worked on it before put some, I don't know, some crazy brackets underneath here that prevented the bumper from being able to be installed properly. So you can see the bumper is at an angle, and there's just two small nuts holding it on. Everywhere you look, you find, crazy stuff. Like we took the spare tire off, and there's a perfectly good spare tire carrier here. I said, okay, great, we can just paint that up and fix it, except for this one still had the stock nut on it. This one had some kind of nut that didn't fit. This one, same thing, so they're completely stripped out, and of course they're welded in the back. So this is garbage, got to be replaced. In every way, every place you go, there's like hand done stuff, or stuff that's not working. Like pipe wipers look pretty good, right? Look at this. They don't work at all. This thing is busted. There's a lot. There's a lot that has to be. You should look in the engine compartment. Oh my God, it's a disaster. So the car looks really cute, but as you can see, we already moved the seats. The seats are filthy, but they're stock, which is good. So we'll fix them up. We'll clean them up. See, we can already start cleaning this one, and then we'll cover them. But yeah, we're gonna have to take this entire car apart, right down to the last nut and bolt, start all over again, and then send it out to a proper paint shop. This car was painted, it looks like, but it was painted by somebody who didn't know what the hell they were doing. They didn't even mask the car properly. So the paint job is really crap. And look at this, when they painted, they didn't even bother masking. See, there's the water windshield wiper. He just painted right through it. So there's overspray everywhere. There's crap everywhere. The car's cute as hell, but it needs a lot of work. It needs a lot more work than it would appear to need at face value. But it's also not a wreck. Sorry, pardon your accent there. Underneath, everything looks good. There's no rust anywhere. Just crap work. Using the wrong nuts and stripping things. Mounting a bumper that's ridiculous. That kind of stuff. And inside on the interior, the seats were all held by different screws. Some of them, again, the wrong nut, the wrong bolt, so the hole is stripped. So now we're going to have to go weld a new one in, which of course is a problem with the carpeting. The carpeting had just been replaced and it's in decent shape, So, look at this radio. Just sitting there, hanging from the dashboard. I don't even know how the dashboard didn't break yet. So, yeah, there's a lot. It's a lot to fix, but, we have time. We'll fix it.